Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the login password for user accounts on macOS. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner. Choose System Preferences from the menu that appears. In System Preferences, select Users and Groups. To change the password for the account you are logged into, click Change Password next to your name. Enter your old password followed by a new password twice to change it. If you are an administrator, you can also change the passwords on other accounts on your Mac. To do that, first click the Lock button on the bottom left and enter your password. Then select the user you want to change and click Reset Password. You can then enter a new password for that user. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.